Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video, I have another update for you, and this is the designer brand from Spain, and it's called El Ganso. El Ganso is considered to be, they are so good in terms of quality, they're considered to be niche, but obviously they are not. They are designer because they make clothing first and foremost, and they have some perfumes in their lineup as well. Altogether, I think they have around 20 perfumes right now. Not many, but they're quite a good collection, and majority of their fragrances are very well received in the fragrance community. So this one in particular came out in 2019 and is called El Ganso Part-Time Hero EDT 125 ml. United Kingdom, you can find it under £30. Retails for £100, but you can find it easily under £30. For that price, this is a bargain because it smells much more expensive than what I paid for it. This smells in par with niche fragrances like easily like Acqua di Parma from Italy, which is very expensive niche brand, 200-300 plus their perfumes. This one in par with those fragrances from Acqua di Parma, especially there is one called Blue Mediterranean. So this one is very similar to Acqua di Parma Blue Mediterranean. In terms of presentation, as you can see, very nice presentation, very playful, very bright, very happy, and this is what you get in the perfume itself. So the presentation reflects very well inside the juice itself. Box is very nice, the bottle is very nice, everything about it is a very good quality, it's a very high-end quality. So for a price, again, this is a bargain. In terms of longevity, I'm happy to say it's a very good performer, especially for a fresh fragrance. Not just fresh, this is a super fresh fragrance. So especially for a very fresh fragrance, and also for EDT, and also for the price, this is very good. On my skin went easily over 6 hours. On material and t-shirt, it goes easily over 8 hours. The next day I woke up, I could still smell it on my t-shirt. So it's a very good performer overall. In terms of projection, an arm length of projection for around a couple of hours, and after that slowly subside, but you always have a good bubble, good cloud, and a good trail behind you. I went with 10 sprays of it, and that was ample enough for me to smell it all day. But if you want to go outside and people smell you from the other side of the road, probably you need to go up to 14, 15 sprays of it. So a very good performer, especially for EDT, especially for a fresh fragrance, and especially for the price. In terms of who's it for, this is very universal. So this all categories, this is, you know, a Swiss army knife. So you can use it in summer, in winter, no problem, but obviously this is better suited for warmer weather because this is a super fresh fragrance. And in terms of occasions, similar story. You can dress up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual. You can wear it in any scenario, so it's very versatile. And in terms of gender, bang in the middle, unisex, anybody can wear it, ladies and men, no problem. Although it's got a hint of masculinity in here, but not too much. And in terms of age, is ageless. Anybody from 15 to 150 can wear it. So very versatile, superbly good for majority of people. So from beginning to end, I give this perfume 10 out of 10 for what it does. Okay, so for me, this is a perfection in a bottle. There is nothing in here that you can say negative about, and this makes in this fragrance, this perfume, a perfection. There is a very small caveat, and that is, if you don't like super fresh fragrances, then that is the smallest caveat, because this is unforgettably unapologetically super fresh. You cannot get fresher than this. This is one of the freshest fragrances in my entire collection, and I have around 700 perfumes. So imagine how fresh it is. So you like a super freshy, this is for you. Especially if you like it super zesty, this is very zesty, very citrusy. First half life of this fragrance is dominated by those citruses, and the citruses in here are gorgeous. So it's an amalgamation of few citruses. I smell lime, I smell bergamot, I'm smelling lemon, I'm smelling orange. So all these things together are making it like a basket of citrus, and that citrus is like a very realistic smell to it, and it's very naturally smelling. It's like basically you chopped these citruses and you smell them, especially with the peel of the citruses in here. So very realistic, very naturally smelling fragrance, which is for a price is crazy. The mid is dominated by the aromatics, which is lavender and the juniper berry. The juniper berry in here is gorgeous, is done to perfection, and also the lavender. The lavender is very clean. It's one of the cleanest lavender you ever smell, and the juniper berry as well, one of the cleanest juniper berry you ever smell. Overall, this fragrance is very clean, very fresh, very uplifting, very happy, very bright, very captivating, very alluring. So that makes it very universally appealing. Plus this one definitely will garner your attention. The reason is because this not only is an easygoing DNA, but it's got a super effervescent nature to it. So it's very effervescent, it's very transparent, it's very airy, it's very see-through fragrance, and that makes it a super appealing fragrance for the majority of people, and it's going to garner your attention, it's going to garner you probably compliment. The good news about this fragrance is even when you don't smell it yourself, people will going to smell it. After a few hours, I couldn't smell it myself because my nose went blind, but my wife, after many hours, about 7-8 hours later, she said she could still smell it on me. So it's one of those fragrances that it will last for a long time, but you might get used to it. Your nose might get used to it because of the nature of this fragrance, which is effervescent. So the base is quite woody, which is a very clean wood. To my nose is a cedar. So they're saying Gayak wood, we take their word for it. And also is very musky. From the beginning to the end is always musky, but the musk in here is very clean. Overall, it's got a little bit of soapiness to it, a little bit of that uplifting shower jelly smell to it. Not too much. The shower jelliness of it is a very small amount, but very uplifting, clean fragrance overall. So according to Fragrantica, we have lemon, bergamot and orange. Although I smell all of these, I smell lime particularly in here as well. The mid is green notes, rose, juniper berry, lavender. So the lavender and the juniper berry are dominant in the mid and are very aromatic and very clean, but the rose in here has got some role to play as well, because it's given it a very soft feeling in the mid, which is beautiful. The rose is not a huge player here, but it is a little bit noticeable. So if you don't like your rose, overall this is not a rosy fragrance. Okay, the rose is in the background mainly, but don't forget there is a rose aspect to it as well. But majority of people, they won't even notice the rose. The green notes, yeah, this is grassy, this is herbaceous. I'm smelling something like maybe mint in here, definitely a bit minty, definitely a bit menthol, definitely a little bit of basil or something like a leafy herbal feel to it. So it's quite grassy, it's green, is quite herbaceous as well. And the base, we have musk moss and garlic wood. As I said, the woods are very clean here. It's just cedar overall to my nose, and the moss here is not a traditional moss, is a modern moss, which is basically very airy, and the musk in here giving it that beautiful appeal of some sensual feeling to it. So if you like what I describe, and also I think there's a neroli in here as well, which they're not mentioning, because I definitely detect some white floral aspect, but again they are not a huge player. They are after the juniper berry and the lavender and the rose, so there's definitely a neroli aspect to this fragrance, or maybe a little bit of orange blossom. So if you like it super zesty, super fresh, super bright, super happy, super summery, this one is summer in a bottle. Okay, so it says summer holiday, happy days, happy feeling in a bottle. They, I would say, majority of people, unless you are somebody exceptional to the rule, majority of people, when they smell this, it will put a smile on their face immediately. So this is that kind of fragrance. Very citrusy, very zesty, and very uplifting, very aromatic, which is coming from the lavender and the juniper berry. Let's hint very small amount of booziness in here from the juniper, not too much, but citruses are dominant in the first half, which is amazing and very impressive in the same time, because usually with citrus fragrances they don't last that long. This one, the citruses last almost to the end, which is very impressive. Fresh spiciness, which is mainly coming from those herbaceous notes I mentioned earlier, which is basil and mint in here, and very green, grassy. I'm detecting something like what's his name, vetiver in the base, but it's a very clean vetiver. It's a leafy, grassy, clean vetiver, which is there to some extent again, and very woody in the base, which is a combination of cedar, sandalwood, probably cedar only, but I'm detecting very, very clean woods in here. Rose is very well faint and in the background, but it is a little bit on the noticeable side, and very musky overall to it, which is giving it that beautiful sensual feel to the fragrance overall. So if you like the description I gave you, you will love this. I think majority of people will love this anyway. Not many people will dislike this, especially for a price under £30. This is a bargain. I give it 10 out of 10 for what it does, for what it performs, how it smells. The perfumery is one of the highest perfumery you can get in a fresh fragrance. Very impressive perfumery in here, and ingredients are very fresh and very uplifting and very natural smelling, which is again very impressive for this price point. Although it's retailing for £100, you can easily find it in United Kingdom under £30. For that price, this is one of the best fresh fragrances out there. Period. You know, just I love it to bits. There is another fragrance which this one reminds me of, which has been discontinued and many people are after it, and that one called Sapil Chichi. So if you like Sapil Chichi and you can't find it, this one is a very good perfume. This one, in terms of perfume and quality, is better than Chichi. Chichi is super fresh as well. This one is similar, very fresh and super fresh fragrance. So if you like Acqua di Parma, blue Mediterranean perfume, which is about £250, £300 for the same size bottle, you will love this for the under £30. So it's a tenth of the price, but in terms of quality and perfumery and smell, everything is very similar to Acqua di Parma. I bet you anything, majority of people can't distinguish them. They are so good in terms of quality and closeness to that fragrance. So overall, highly recommend it. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful fragrance from beginning to end. This is a masterpiece in my opinion, in terms of fresh fragrance overall. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. This way help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you perfumes like this in future, and nobody else is talking about. The amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems. If you have anything else from this brand, let us know your experience as well. Thank you very much. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker, I'm the creator. So there are true handmade perfumes just for the lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of, and that gives them the huge personality, massive, big, bold, very artistic and unique. They're like time capsule. They take you different places, different time, and they are super beautiful, if I say myself. I have a perfume called the Persian Summer, which is very similar to this, but on another level in terms of beastiness. If you are interested, you can go and check them out as well. There are other reviews reviewed my perfume. You can go and see what they say about my perfumes. Thank you very much as always for watching. Thank you very much for love and support, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.